Can you see the cash out? I'm not going to cash out. I'm going to win tonight. Like how I won yesterday night.
I trust you.
Yes. Charlie, let me show you a secret. The best betting platform in the world right now is OneXBet. Now, because of OneXBet, my nigga is no more eating gari and beans. He is enjoying fried rice and chicken. Yes. Nene OneXBet kabe man who time see the oba kokko de kamede ye de.
My pen was your
baby girl, me kiss. So I feel vibe no. Yes, join OneXBet today and enjoy good money. Just use the promo code Vision2020. Charlie, what is OneXBet? I'm gonna sponsor Barcelona there. I'm gonna sponsor Liverpool. And African Cup of Nations ever boy and senior Ukraine. I'm gonna say sponsor. Pay win up here, Charlie. Don't forget to stick tonight, eh?
I will.
Don't forget to. Don't forget to. The promo code near there. Vision2020. Vision2020.
And one was everybody saw my brother was here for.
Oh. Okay. Me na do matter mo.
Definitely.
Me na miss. OneXBet. Try it again. Wow.
Vision Nation, baby.
Previously on Peer Pressure.
Hey, your princess, I'm highly disappointed in you. How can you degrade yourself to that level? How can you propose to a Form 1 student? So you have the guts to chase Form 3 girls, huh? You got the heart of a lion. You stupid boy. What do you have to chase a girl that I want? Huh? Oh, if I'm looking for a competitor, I'm not expecting a common Form 1 guy like you.
Princess of all people, the Joe Biden's daughter who behaves like she's the most special person in this school. And oh, so you can propose to a guy? A Form 1 student for that matter? This is so shameful. Ashawo kaba kaba. Excuse you, madam.
K in the building. It's first to the K-E-L-Vin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision Nation. Say, Mobian Dada, more in Brady, and one paid your crab one pair. Mobian more pressure, Pim Cock on strong man best strength. Schoolgirl CP needs to buy open and for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys P, no boy or back class hour depends no team seen to the bank. More in break, and Satania back here 240. Peer pressure, it rose one can't see me never found, yeah, and I'm in my wood. It became Mojagu for the council, trying to 7 flags, yeah, I know what the other. Sugar mama phone, you date or no, didn't come out, what you say, yeah, my papa.
Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to be a tutu. Now for some, no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before, peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, peer pressure, pressure.
I feel so fly when I try that thing that make them say alright. I feel so fly in my mind. So would you help me sing alright? Yeah. I feel like I can jump up and touch the stars. Feeling so high. Yeah. I feel like I can fly all the way to Mars.
Excuse you? Do you have any idea of how to prepare chicken bug? Hello? the one and only mighty princess who hails from America and gives scholarships to Form 1 boys. Now, hey, the only princess who claims to live in a big mansion but live in a wooden structure. Now, let me ask you, hey, now, where are your maidens? Have they ignored you now? Useless local girl. You fake girl. Just look at you. Take a look at you. What fairy? What fairy girl? Get out. Stop. Sweet girl. Next time I'll give it to her more.
Michael, can we talk? I want to ask, when are we supposed
High Spirit! You alone can't ask me anything. Because you have introduced your friends and they are part of this society. Henceforth, you think together, you move together, and you see me together.
So, Michael, can't we go alone?
High Spirit, I have spoken.
Michael, we are now ready to face reality. My guys and I are ready to see riches and fame.
Yes, Michael. We are ever ready to do everything you say to seek fame and riches.
Yes. We want the whole school to know that we have money. We want the whole school to know that we spend money. We want them to know that we control money and we make money. Yes.
I can see a total change in you three. I can see that your minds and hearts are now one to meet riches. I asked you to come along with a bag. Yeah. Let me have it. Now close your eyes. Away Saliwa! Away Saliwa! Away Saliwa! Open your eyes. Take it back. Whatever you see in this bag is for the three of you. And make sure you don't open it till the next day. Now listen to me. The great Mahubala, my master, is ready to give you more of this if you obey his rules.
Please, can we go now?
Yes, you can leave.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you, the great Mahubala.
Yes, Christo, you know, and I'm to be a solitary school, the Bianosibia, so you go, so I'm not to run the witch and crashing away, yes, Christo, which I mean crashing.
if you want peace in this school, you better stop mentioning that name. Or else, I will crush you one time. Because you are just like a cockroach in my palm.
Why are you talking to me in this manner? And besides, who really are you?
You have my words.
Mr. Kadi, yes. Mommy was here today. Wow, no, that's nice. How is she? She's fine, but you were in class, so I couldn't call you.
Okay,
so she gave me the money you lent me the last time. Hey. You're harassing me too much on campus.
Ja, mo sika mo pese yimbu sam sansa na mo dia mam. O san we jina say me harass me. Yes, what's that de?
So Kadi, where are the uniforms? I want to go around.
Omo them mom.
And they check.
Ani now.
Okay.
Sister Joanna.
Yes?
There is something that has been bothering me.
Mary, what is it?
This senior called Michael. Sister, could you believe, say, wabeti me warning, say, Nyamidi ni nyamisom na mibubo mu school mu han me jai. And yes, sir, the Benjamin.
Huh? Whom are you befriending in that school? My here? Can you borrow me 50 cedis? Can you please borrow me 50 cedis? I'll pay it next week when my mom sends me.
Hey, me I don't have 50 cedis.
Oh.
Imagine I can't anymore. 10 pesos, 1 cedi anymore.
Me too, I'm broke. I'm even hungry. Oh, Mr. Kadi, so you're hungry.
Why even hungry? Me, we need to go. We need to go.
Too many.
Me.
Oh, I'm going.
Bye-bye. Me.
Mary,
Sister.
you better stop playing with fire before he crushes you, okay?
Sister, what are you talking about? Michael is not my friend. Neither have talked to him before. No. But she am no man one they say, me janya me sumna. My imagine say, I don't want me to
Mary, show me. Na my hill no namasam. Yen from 3-4 cry. 1 a.m. mango, let alone you. So you better be careful and stay away from him before it's too late, okay? A word to the wise is enough.
Did you do that? She's your school daughter. Just give you money. Wait, school daughter. Wait, I didn't know you. Can you wait? I'm your professor in school daughter. Oh, come on, too.
Just give you money.
Come on, too. What can see one? I put on your lock. Now, what your friend say? Energy drinks. Maybe I can know their bread. And just now, sorry. You also have a advice. And how many times? Just don't want to know. Hey, come to know. It's not good. Show back.
She.
Sir.
Oh, what is this here for? You see, a band may no level say, yeah. Yes, come down to my level. What I say? Near Monk, one of the guy. Yes, cry. Yes, I will. My monitor, my own Sandra, and then what I'm feeling, Debbie, there's one of a phone here. My monitor movement, I need, we are nice. We are very nice. Now, be man so dear. Oh, quack of fun, no one now, bar. But you Johnny nice, what I say. For the young one, but we didn't wear such a. But you would not so, now at least. Some bangwa near Tobo see pump. Ube embrace, over Jatum. What I say. The titty man say you are a very beautiful girl. That one day, I can't lie. I like you. I like you very much. In fact, I love you. I want to be with you. I want you to be my woman. Seriously. What I say?
Mr. Nkoma.
Oh, my name is Nkoma.
Mr. Nkoma.
Yeah, the name is Nkoma.
Ah.
Yeah.
Interesting. Did I hear you well?
Very right.
You said you like me.
Oh, I like you. In fact, I love you.
You love me?
Yeah.
Love at first sight.
Oh, what happened 3 years ago, Refi? You've been here for 3 years. I've been monitoring the system.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you not married?
Oh, I worry there. When I'm going say, my worry, what does it? But a banner normal way. I'm watching. You are far away, so what does it? A banner in my any band who need yes, yeah. My worry, some worry, that the American Yabina, your trouble manners or some genus.
Ah.
You know.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
If I can hear you well, also you like me, and I know you are married. Independent or permanent, may call Kotwa or Uranus and answer Okuja where you know about family.
She don't worry, when you get to the bridge, seriously, we will cross it. Now you come. Yeah.
Wonder shall never end.
Oh, never ended that.
Mr. Nkoma.
Yeah.
I like you.
Great, I like you too.
But as a teacher,
huh?
In fact, I don't deal with teachers.
Eh?
What can you say? O monthly salary bar, o kotosh o shat neni ape o kotofufro, I believe. O yibia maire o kosh sampa boa. Sign a beka o betiche ma be mami bi. Oh, please. I don't deal with teachers.
Oh.
We deal with sugar daddies and game boys.
Oh, we go game mfunzo.
And yes, I toys no. Wakaka so uni system ni uye kolosa aka ho. Please, I'm not interested, Mr. No, oh please, please let's
go. To office. Oh, sir, we did more say I tell you pass on. Mungo turn on mungo. No problem. Say the muguja mu feli, men feli mu ai. Unya nante bo benya bo babo, me na kata mu say simbo. Mungo area. Mo ba wi sa akopem. Mu pa. Say bi nkore ya kono yo mu ho akono yi. Oh, abai, teacher Juma, Moboate. Oh, down when you are buying down, never hear to me. If you answer your tongue, shirt and issue, I can train Mudua, come to Magic Gangantua. The Dravo Equisica 7 you at it. Nanka Suko no may, the catch up the mini shoe. Makeover, yes, and we deal with game boys alongside sugar daddies. The many do we know sugar. Oh, abai, my risk allowance, what a give us risk allowance. Now we are risky. Now risk can you take care of adventure. The no money name.
The time has come for you to put your petitions and your requests before the great Mahubala. We shall leave the school tomorrow at midnight. Do not talk to any girl or propose to any girl until this mission is accomplished. Do not disclose this journey to anyone who is not part of it.
Michael, why don't we go early in the morning so that we can come early?
No man sees the great Mahubala in the daytime, or else you will burn to ashes. You only see him in the night.
Burn into ashes?
Yes. You will burn into ashes.
This is strange.
You don't have enough time, so go and prepare. I will come for you.
Let's go, guys.
Rastafari and I, blessed for watching Pure Pressure series. When you see me on the street, call me one expert Kojo Kaki. When you see the ghetto youth rising in Benz, don't vex, because 1xbet is our body guide, as guy in guide. I encourage 1xbet for you to win a lot of money. Download the app and register with the promo code Vision2020 and win a lot of money. Mafasika 1xbet, Amama your blog.
Thank you. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Okay, Mimi, it's been a while now you wanted to be part of us. And we never gave you the chance. But looking at the love that you showed to Royce has convinced us to accept you into our club.
Oh my god, like I'm so happy, like I just can't even express how happy I am. Come on, I'm so happy, give me a hug. Welcome, baby girl. I'm so proud to be part of the prettiest girl.
Really?
Like, come close, like, come on a high five. Alright?
Hey boy.
Allez, Alvin. Oh, when you're on the edge,
On point.
Nemo, a photo as a blood and the man say, oh, what's me, so chief be our now but to gospel, as I say. They say, what junior among brother Samuel, oh, a bit boy, as I say. Sanyum tona is when them school mouth to na man on mouth fans nice with Kyekyeku to this and
You're a fun boy, or any day. Eh? You're a fun boy.
You too for your catcher.
When I send you a fine boy, I didn't man only feeling me. Sitting. One car in your way.
Oh, by and you're now to the near the man I have born, and then a drama mona would be far and it's near my name. Wasn't as school mark as it and say.
But on a more serious note, we have to tell you the do's and don'ts of our society. Okay. We are lesbians. Really? Of course. Come forward. Don't go back. We don't do men. We hate flirting with guys.
Mana Shasia, Omo, Budi, Mana Shasia. Say Basana, now take to you, Machine, the Bonena. I say, Inti Messio. Say, woman I who, I say.
Hey boy, John talk now, can eh?
John,
Ambassador between a foot too. Adding. Charlie my freestyle entertainment.
See, everybody just feel my swag, yeah, cause when the rap in the maswa, but we didn't make up plus one. See, everybody just wants some more. A brand name my dream was to be a living legend. I'm to listen to autograph each and every second. I'm to see his fans as a president. The person that you would me reference. Ah, boy, I want hit Saturday. Come on,
give it to her. And you should hold your tongue to every secret of ours. Do you know something? You would be charged a fee. Baby girl, tell her. 500 Ghana cedis. Period.
I don't have that kind of money.
So?
Man,
yo, everyone is staring at me. They want to know who I am. I be the baby, I be the prince, I be the baby melon. If you don't like me, go and buy like
see, I know when you
Papa kind Bible.
don't you men? Hey, Nash, it's the same. After classification. Aha. Alvin.
Yeah.
Can there be a reduction or something?
No, there is nothing like reduction. Do you understand?
Okay, anyways, I'm ready to risk anything to be part of the prettiest girls on campus. So you just give me a little time. In due time, I'll bring it.
Yeah,
okay.
We love that vibe.
Yeah,
okay,
come on, give me a high five. Okay, so
all right, let's go to Sophia.
Sure, bye.
I'm good afternoon.
Fine, it's the same.
Alvin.
Yes, sister.
The friend when you're born. Na nisembi a metiti mu school mu hanim nyoma bi a mu. In fact, it doesn't speak well of you at all. Marvin, why do you move with those bad boys in this school?
Hey, me sister.
Yes.
Sister, oh, this one there. It's not like that.
It's not like that.
This school uncles are like, they be talking about force like the beer maybe in your mouth. Take off, I got swag then. Like the girls they film me, then you say I don't say they film me. Like I'm come and say, oh, I know where the whole thing is coming from. I know say it be that Junior Zion Felix Kyekyeku guy, you know. So that guy, you know, I catch up for outside that. Go be. I don't say I don't know come one same share. But this good, I'm come one same.
Look, let me tell you something. God loves you.
Hey, they love me for that one. They love my rap.
He doesn't want to see you mingling with those bad boys. Alvin, I'm make a team. Some crofona woman. Omuni mbia woman so. And until what talent no. Omo try every means to say omo destroy you. Me person who saw on the microphone. What's the totally everything about fun you say now here.
So my fresh.
Who don't want boys here? Yo boys, omuni mbia woman so. And I want your monam. Hey Alvin. Ube school say we be suade. Shawo na ku family.
Can't see that.
Obenya say ni ye buni bene enya den.
Can I say?
And a word to a wise.
It's enough.
Better.
Now, Sister Mary, this one, they thank you.
You're welcome.
God bless you. So, today, today I will come. You say 5 o'clock.
Yes.
I will go watch camp. Take no.
Next on Peer Pressure.
This is the entry of the evil forest. You would have to go now because time is not standing still. The road to success is not an easy journey. Look into the pot. Pick the calories.
We on point inspection baby chem. Dining normal show. Don't.
What by a punishment? Madam for me. Kaba boy ni mama morning and intended to kill free her. I've been like Kekan Simbasa is a minute.
National BT. Me family who in the wall. We read the wire on the wire my difference English.
I want you to do an assignment for me.
What is it?
Nice question. I want you to go to Sheila and then.
And what? And what, Sister Vivian? I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. You are just the cause of all my problems in this school. I pass your Alvin. I pass your lover boy. Why? Only me. Madam, please. This time around, you can go to hell.
K in the building. It's first to the K Alvin.
Violin.
Yeah. Vision. Say, Mobian Dada, morning, Brady, and one pay your crab one pair. Mobian pressure, Pim Cock or strong man best string. School girl CP needs to buy open now for some day I'll be a lesbian. Fraud boys be no boy or back class hour depends no one team seen to the bank. Morning break and Saturday about 240. Peer pressure, it be real so 1 can't see me never found yeah and I'm in my wood. It became Mojeku for the cancel, trying to 7 flex yeah no nearby. Sugar mama phone you date or no do come out what you say yeah my papa.
Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. And yes, I before peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before. Peer pressure before.
Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Peer pressure. Pressure.
Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take you anywhere to stay cool. Be any fear free to ye be I do tutu. Now for some no go take